Well, news just coming in. The government says that they are ready to debate on the Ishrat Jahan cover-up and the new revelations that have been made on this. Aishwarya Kapoor is on the phone line. Aishwarya, give us more details of what the government strategy in both houses of parliament on this issue is likely to be today.
Well, as you just mentioned, government has conveyed it to the opposition parties and to be specific to the Congress party that they are ready in principle to have a debate on the latest revelations and the latest documents which have surfaced in the Ishrat Jahan case. Government says that they have nothing to hide, but it is the Congress party which is on the back foot. Thus, they are looking for disruption and not discussion. Government wants a structured debate. Government wants to discuss each and every issue and each and every revelation which has come out in the public, and also the statements which are being made by former and then present bureaucrats in this very regard. All of this needs to be discussed. We are also seeing that certain alliance partners of the BJP also want a debate on this issue, and they want Congress party to rather come out clean because the allegations are being raised on the then Home Minister and a senior Congress leader, P. Chidambaram, in this very regard. Hence, government wants to have a debate on the Ishrat cover-up, and especially after the kind of interviews which have been done by Times now, making startling revelations in this regard.
So he has said that he has attacked that the Prime Minister is not listening to his ministers at all, and he is working in isolation.
मेरे ख्याल से वो अपने अनुभव से बात कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि 10 वर्ष के यूपीए शासनकाल में प्रधानमंत्री ही उनके स्वयं सहमे हुए थे, क्योंकि किसी और एक्स्ट्रा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल सेंटर से उनको निर्देश मिलते थे। तो शायद वो अपने अनुभव से बात कर रहे हैं। हमें जो उन्होंने कहा उससे कोई एतराज तो नहीं, लेकिन चिंता अवश्य है कि वो अपनी पार्टी के प्रधानमंत्री उम्मीदवार हैं। अपेक्षित उनसे ये था कि संवाद का स्तर जरा उनका ऊंचा रहता। No, all that I have to say in response to what has been said by Shri Rahul Gandhi is that I don't feel hurt, I don't feel angry, I feel worried, because he's supposed to be the prime ministerial candidate of his party. And I think the nation expects a different level of discourse from him. And having said that, when he says that all the ministers are under pressure from the Prime Minister or they are scared of the Prime Minister, I think he's speaking from the experience of the UPA, where the Prime Minister himself was always under pressure and subjugated to an extra constitutional center of authority. I think it is to the credit of the present government that we have restored the esteem and the propriety of the office of Prime Minister.